Indecision is the quiet killer of leadership. When I hesitate, opportunities slip by. Teams stall, morale fades. People won't follow uncertainty. They follow conviction. Courage is the core of leadership. Not loud, not reckless. Act with clarity when stakes are high and stand for what matters when it's uncomfortable. Here's the truth. Without courage, talent just circles the runway. With courage, it takes off. Example 1. A bold pivot. When Netflix saw streaming on the horizon, the easy move was sticking with DVDs. Reed Hastings chose the courageous move, betting the company on a future most couldn't see yet. It was messy, it was criticized, it was massively right. Courage looks like committing before the applause. Example 2. A shield for the team. I've led teams under fire. When blame started flying, the easy move was to protect myself. The courageous move was taking accountability publicly, then privately defending my people and fixing the process. What happened? Trust rose. Performance followed. Example 3. A founder's leap. Imagine shipping a risky new product that might fail fast or change the game. Investors want safe. The market wants new. Courage is choosing to test boldly, learn rapidly, iterate in the light, not hide in the lab. Courageous leaders do 3 things. They decide decisively. They tell the truth kindly. They empower others to own the mission. Courage unlocks voice. Voice unlocks action. Action unlocks potential. If you're stuck, start small. Make one clear decision today. Have one honest conversation. Take one visible stand for your team. Courage compounds. Leadership isn't about never feeling fear. It's about moving with it, so your team can move with you. Step forward. Others are waiting for your signal.